Jesse Dean with Jesse Dean Designs and Custom Products. We are going to go ahead and show you how to dismantle a machine here. This is the Native Instruments machine. We're going to go ahead and show you how to dismantle this, to pull it all apart. There's a few tools that you're going to need. I'm using electric drill, with a torque setting on it instead of for 1 or 2, and also a Phillips bit. That's all you pretty much need for this here. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing the pads on this dismantle to a new pad kit. These are the thick new pads that are out and available on our website and eBay. Come in blue, a gray, a thick white, just like the white on there, black, and of course the red. We're gonna go with the red because I just want to change it up. I like the red color. I like blue. I like all of them. I mean, these are really cool pieces. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pull apart this machine and install this thicker red kit here and see how we go. Alright, first thing is pull all the knobs. Remember, when we pull these screws, each screw will have a round silver ring where these silver screws go back onto. Ones without a ring and ones with a big ring do not get the screws. Remember that. Those are for the faceplate screws to go back in. So ones with just the silver ring, like so, take the silver screws. Remember, the smooth side, the glossy side, goes toward the pads. So the glossy side, satin side goes down to make contact with contacts. Native Instruments machine with the pad change to a red pad system, which I think it looks pretty cool, a little different than your regular pads out there. Like I said, they come in different colors: gray, blue, the thicker white. Because there, if you notice, quite a bit thicker here, so it feels a little more cool. The knobs go back on. Like so. Here's our old pad, which is a little bit thicker or thinner than the new ones here. This is the color pad kit and disassembly and reassembly of the Native Instruments machine. And we put the red pad kit in. And of course, like I said, we have the gray, the blue, the thicker white, and of course, the black kit. So if you kind of want to kind of murder it out, that'd be kind of a neat kit to put in there. Hopefully pretty soon we'll have the new buttons that come out with these pattern buttons here, but I'm not sure in the future. But otherwise, these are now available. They can be available on our website at temporecords-dj.com and also on our eBay page. And just for reference, that's how you pull apart a machine and put it back